Driving through that danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. Driving through that danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. I throw me ups and down. Me never give up, never survive me way too down. Never pray me not pray them, just take the bird down. Me take the bird, me get the birds alongside the town. When it's up to my neck, you protect me from down. Because see, because search, and then me go phone. Well, I go sit up, me say in and the town. Then I say I go up on the borders and the bridges and the driving through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. Driving through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. Some say them magic, tell me what that them magic. No call me no nigga, call me not time to figure. Never talk about them magic, she's a man, she's a protect me from this near and the gun.
Holy by Ibrahim Nyas King Selassie I Jah Rastafari, fire we are born, you know.
Well, clean the city up there. Tell them don't live corrupt there. Rather them must throw up there. Volcano erupt there. Blood run like so up there. No school, no bill up there. Them can't go chill up there. Them a live that. Them a live in a mess up there. The real wire west up there. Beer bombs them full up there. Beer guns them full up there. And all who live up there. He'll jar while you up there. I him full like up there. Just smile while you up there. You feel say you up there. Organic while you up there. No panic while you up there. Drink panic while you up there. Never use them while you up there. Yo, well Rastafari. Hey. Then again. Shouting through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. Shouting through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and I threw me up and down. Me never give up, me can survive me way through down. Never free me not free them, just take the earth down. Me
Drunk up.
different from the known. What if? Well, Mr. Some said them magica. Tell me what that them magica. No call me no nigga. In the half time fi figure. And no fat about scissor. Them go scissor and scissor clap.
Crank up again.
Driving through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. Driving through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and guide. I throw me ups and down. Me never give up, never survive me way too down. Never pray me not pray them, just take the bird down. Me take the bird, me get the birds alongside the town. When it's up to my neck, you protect me from down. Because see, because search, and then me go phone. Well, I go sit up, me say in and the town. Then I go on the borders and the bridges and the driving through the danger zone.
Don't even think I'm alone.
Just by your side to protect and guide. Driving through the danger zone.
Danger zone, you know.
Don't think you're alone.
Yeah, the man say,
Just by your side to
they
protect
can go,
them magica, tell me what that them magical. No call me no nigga, call me not time to figure. Never talk about them she said them go, she said mine, she said. Jah protect me from this near and the gun man. As the gun pretty gun go up, the man gun buzzer. In comfy take life, the life yeah it was. The Rasta,
Oi.
the life that don't be straight. No way, no there. Hey, what's this? Well, clean the city up there. Tell them don't live corrupt there. Rather them must throw up there. Volcano
Here up there.
Blood run like so up there. No school, not fill up there. Them can't go chill up there. Them a live that.
On say thing go on now, doggies.
The real Wild West up there. Their bombs them full up there. Their guns them full up there.
Oi, oi.
Live up there. He'll jaw while you up there. I am full up there. Just smile while you up there. You feel when you up there. Organic while you up there. No panic while you up there. Drink your tonic while you up there. No for you them while you up there. Yo, well Rastafari. Hey, 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 hey. Then again, shouting through the danger zone.
Don't even think I'm alone.
Just by your side to protect and guide. Riding through the danger zone. Don't even think you're alone. Just by your side to protect and to me ups and down. Me never give up because survive me way through town. Them a free me not free them just take the earth down. Me take the world, they get the world different from the known. Hey, what's this? Well, me say some say them a chica. Tell me what that them a chica. No call me no nigga. Me no have time to figure. I no fat about she's.
Yes, people, right now, me just want to talk quick and fast, you know, because me up on a movement, see?
Yeah, man.
But hold on. You see, people, the thing gone serious. Way out of hand, you know. Right now, the selling of my brothers and sisters in Europe and America is gone out of hand, doggy. Make me tell you know, people, what go on now in a Germany, in a Hamburg, something where them just introduce now and it new, brand new. People, today, this morning, me wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, like every blood clot day. Me wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, Monday to Friday, and go walk. I walk till 3 o'clock every blood clot day from Monday to Friday. Every day, like any other real people around, we go to work. See? Today, me just finish work. Come out of my working place and want to go take the train. A 2 police officer run come upon me. 2 little police officer. Criminal police. They come run upon me. Guess what them ask me? Normally, a different sitting, you know. But the police boy, they jump on me and say, where you come from? You have any papers? I say, what kind of paper I want to ask? You have any paper to stay here? What kind of strange question this? But, you say, me grew up here. At 23 blood clot years, me live here and me always live legal. Because me never come here illegal. See? But you know why this thing happen now? Because the European people, government, them have a authority. Them have a real authorities now. To arrest everybody. We come from Africa, you know. If you don't have no paper, them are going to send you. Because you know why? It is so easy for them to do it now. Before they couldn't do it. More than 10 years, police never stop people on the road in Hamburg and ask them for papers. The only time them do that is when you go to zero tolerance to drug zone. Only this time you go to place where them sell drugs and them say zero tolerance. Red zone them call it. Police can always stop you and ask you for papers whether you have anything to do with drugs. But inside the city where everybody are move up and down. But you know say Mr. Badman. The police boy me tell him say, what kind of papers you asking me? Him say, you have any paper to stay here? Me say, long time. I live here 23 years, you know, where were you this time? And them shock them say, really? Me say, yeah. You have any problem with drugs? Me say, over 20 years ago. So, you know, right now, it is causing a real problem for people with papers and without no papers. Every black man are going to start get harassed, boy, because of our government sell we out. Who like this, take it. Who not like it, you can take it same way. Because me no business. Me I tell you what is happening right now because of the new governments all over the place are sell people out. You hear me? So youths, funding kela tol mil bijang. Bakwe dindongol ndomal kay total bulu. Alal tamanya long sign. Because sign, your funding kela yung wafile, Adong this thing is not a joke thing, you know, my brother. A serious thing, you know. Nkambe in dunia nga fola nimba ulial. Biso mandale, ning tilibulo, mbata doko lang kasenang. Fabramal nya pitang kay ko fo kaito bembule. Nkoy mong kaiti. Kaito bembule pur kasijang. Ngandok dindi mere ngaji ben kay ko dindi. Nte binala nyum banko kan dindi mere ne muiti. Ya leko boy. Nkam fatan wild ta, you know. Mol min bije mol nata ngini karo. Nkoy ko dindi mere ngol. Ikan ngini ka fo kaito bembule mbasila jam muntumale o kumasta nyum banko kanjang. Long time them thing they not happen here. So right now, them are deport people from America. Them are deport people from Europe. Germans now. Them are go all over the place. In the city. They arrest people. A hunt for people. What is this? And start disrespect black people. Ono think say ono do something good. Ono not do nothing. Mbekuma killing for le Gambia. Ali alon neko Gambia atol mil baby sirinje. Milkal Makoi, 99% of Demaro alkamin soto, minkanal tara Gambia, abeka bojanne, jang. Abeka bojanne. So alnyo jawya bula, albe mol wafila, albe kodotala, albe fondinkel sendi la molbe sela Afrika ebita sila je, ebita munela je. Fala mara ni momana da tubab du jang, e kanal re kaito soto. Kaito buka soto o nyama. So alkana fa albe mol disturb la ka fon do kele ta kayto lu nyini ono kiango sidong, you know, rasta. Right now ale ko be jahasele kayti tiolu kayti ntangolu sayen tubabol fabrama le ni mol benta dawoda rek kayt tu bohum malen yen yana sohor rek jay ngeen ñu fu mekani deka bi hambok loi bu es mo fi ñew since barki demba tey ak elek ak ganawati elek ak every time fuñ tassé ñu le rek dañ la taxawal ñu laaj la kayit lolu gëj na fi am so gisé mu am tay because suñ réew mi ak yeneen réewi africain yi ñoñu jaay ci tuba bi yo legi tuba bi dañ am right from the foreign office, from the government in Africa to search and stop everybody. And when you know on a paper, them are going to deport you. Before they never do them thing, the boy. But real thing, you know. Real thing, may I tell you, know. Real thing, people. Real thing. Yeah. So, after the police boy, them realize, yeah, me a different youth because I live here legally, you know. Me live here a long time, 23 years. And 1997, me married to get paper boy, you know. And not everybody are lucky like King Potter and Richard and everybody, you know. Not everybody are lucky like we. You understand? So people, you don't know what go on, you know. Gambia them sell we out. And me I tell you know. And the deportation is just a start, you know. I just beginning, you know. I swear to God, you know. A whole problem you know go get in Africa, you know. Because you see me King Potter right now, I'm out of Gambian business, you know. I'm out of Uno business. Because you people, the government now are full way. Them say 3 years, now them say 5 years. Them say it never enough. You understand? So the problem just a start. If Gambian people don't get up and rally around and make sure this government go down after 3 years and we put up a new government that is going to look after the people. Yeah? A problem. And you see, people living in there. Unu will get problem. Unu fi start get up. Because you see right now, mbekuma kilim folale. Mbato nga fale ni manike kangola puru alkam mwen kamin fale. Sendiro. Sign na kumasta. Sign na kumasta, you know. Because sign tubabol jang. Ye rightly di tubabol la. Right. Hamburg jang. Ye rightly di tubabol la sign. Police olu. Ye funte ka du sate kono. Dulal mumeto trenol kono. Kamo fingol nyini. Kaito bebul kaito tebulu. Ike wulindi mol kono. Eba fule kaito. One thing yabate ni njutu neyati. Adun Gambia albije. Alla mako yorobe ka bojan. Tubabu du silal jang. Wolle ka al balundi. Wolle ka al dema. Wolle ka kuwa bekali. Hani momo be siring Afrika. Akana janna ala doku ke mo jamal after kodos to jay taje al mako yi. Albe mol kella. Mol min ka al mako yi jan ale wol kella ale bulo king ale bulo king ale mol bulo king sa ale mol bulo king. Fo sa mol bulo man doku ke no. Al sa al fango balundi. Nte ba lifrin janne mo tente bondi no la jang o wato tambitale ñun dunia kono so sain Gambia alla masakunda wala al wafi Mfangole sita jangaje news tubabol ya fo. Dilo ni ya be tele. Nse kuma kelim fale tubabol la jan demokrasi le bijang. Ni kuke molle ka wuli ka fo dalil jamalat na le nyinke. Journalistol ka wuli nyinin ka roke. So tubabol le buka nu. Ika fo le nyine keta. Wayal be nyulu sendi la. Masakunda ko sa problem tije nge sendi. Problem tije. Ato yala la banko Gambia albe sirinje. Kabo ikafo je nyadile Westfield kata Banjul dal stallulu taxi promo kun kiling moto siran kiling albe sirin jang albe ale nyine ke sate banko be wul tanga ya jamme bay maya jamme bay pour molye na tora no, that was not the plan. We want a better living. We want people who are going to look after we and protect our rights. Ngo ngalande ko mo Jamal Sita jang nying koma sila nalal mo Jamal Sita jam because yesukurol dundi ko Yaya Jammeh. Yes, because Yaya Jammeh abuka Jimmy kabanko ne on tubabole ikaye kodo fele nyul senda ka atakela. He never do it. Rasta, you can't tell me nothing. So you must kunda kuto nata. Almangani molso fango mil mo kutol mil nata. Alme so hani sanji saba sanji lola. Yela kaitol dundi yela kuol topoto. Atol sita rek. Alko nyule funti. Ale mu plan nesto molyeje. What do you have for the people in there? Nothing. Yo, people. Ntaka tonya ale fali. Ntedak, Gambia. Nkana ndabo ndala kuotole because you people now listen. Nemol be tonya fula alba fula nyim mansot. Nga nyim fale nu janna alka mansot. Americanol nata. Ela foreign guy nata elota and speak up the truth. Dunia be alomba kering. Adisa yo mol nyikala mila lonko sanji muwange be sirinje. Inla dimbal be sirinje kaito dile be dokuol. Yesi lunkili re ko nga nyimbu si bulle fo esay. Atol kamuna keteti. But anyway, ma tell uno say it's no joke. Something we got to talk about. I don't think we are quiet. I don't know. But listen me. Okay. Muso be momo bulu. Ena muso ya doman. Ale nyo nene. Muste membulu naka. Eta muso nyini. Eta sunkuto nyini. Ka foko futu o jang. Na man kijang muso lafta ke mako itata Afrika itata dawoda abine no ma jele ay futu adona ay futu foy murun nang ndoki alman ku kijang jamani jang we all live here ndoke Lampedusa kutol milbi jang mo kum man jajang katambin tete me yosto do som be ma ting boya ba hansa male frinjang albukata sunyar la albuka nyapi musukang albuka ku kijam ya lonko dalilo le batar la je pour isa falte murla nan jang hanal tata Afrika. Bari ala neba sire ye bulo bula. Oman koi. Muso nyini karo sifa bela. Dinding chepel muta. Ma kebal jegol ali muta. Al dinangolo muta. Al nyo nene. Bepare siloka. Ala al hakilot. Because saying hambog jang I swear to God no dagi. Ntelefon nya buto yaje. Ko nya pitan telkan today. Because them see me. And no know me. But them always gonna try. So suppose kaiti tente bulnu wala duldungole be bulnundu tenu yen samba. I swear to God it could be anybody. So wala nanko ala kilot kabiri nya pitan kay manginin ka for drogo be bulo anything yenginin ka kaitol iko nya ko kaito be bulen ko mun kaiti ko nya kaito pour kasida ko mun nyinin ka le woti. Yeah, it's a fuck up thing agwan. So people wake up and live. A real talk me I tell uno. It's no joke. Go.
Well, what you know? You have to love yourself and you will know yourself. Now go below.
Ito na yari.
Overthrow your mind. You will surely make your play like vanity and wealth. Just secure your...
Go. Banga. Niya mo duldung, ha? Wala nyenti ko, you do get dulded, yeah? They're just having patience with you until any further notice. Like, Masakunda Gambia e minke, e kaitolo sinye, puri boye bonde nyumbanko kang. Society, you are no more get dulded. Patient, finish. You understand? That means you have to go. But as long as obey bulu, iba taman na dyan na yala kuluke. Mote kukelela. You understand? But the sign hano from obey bulu. Ninim fal benta. Foye samba foleta e bulolta. Ntelaga jim fali. Be pare la motol kon. Jorangol le bije comme telephone le kanare e bul kumbala je taprek ko be funti la screen o kan. Member me tell on na be digital sit na go on. So right now, a big stress, you know. Gambia government and some African government, cannot Gambia alone, you know. All people from Kenya, people from all over the place, you know. Donald Trump has sent everybody. But you see here, in Germany, the problem is Gambia. At them are taking, you know. Them not take nobody else yet. Because right now, a problem in our Rasta. Yeah, so, no, you know, hamnedal. Yan ang itop, tiyengulen sen kaiti. Topoto len gen tiye chepei. Tiye len chepei, tiye len jegi, biran len, tiye len, so affaire de me betanga bedang. Ngen yobu chepei banjul ngen den sei. Manyaka suman day ku sei banjul re nga nyipsi wat fi. Yeah. Ku dugal kait re nga nyipsi. Ba pare kait ha. Neko fi nyore. Straightforward nga am kait. Du dega kula wa lulu. Dafla na. Yeah. A lot of people nyung fi. Nyata at ngi am jigen am du neka am fi ay dom munu ñoo am kait. Hana ñoo bëgguñ kait. Of course. Why dafa am num fa tajo. You understand? So right now youth lo rek ay solution bi because gis nga li ndox bu tuuru la be pare. Tuuru na kopa nañ ndox gi mun lo ko you can't do nothing. Foof ndeyam rek mu tela wow. So right now the only solution, black people wake up and leave. You understand? Because the government, the black government that we have in Africa are selling we out. They are not looking after us. No time. You understand? They only interest them pocket. Right now, all of my brothers and sisters getting deported from America. Yeah. You know why? Because the government, they go and sign a deal with America to return the people them back. So that the people, the government and their families and their friends can get visa and travel to America freely. And go save our money, siphon our money and go keep it. Exactly so. Dictatorship start. From when you sell your people, you feel superior over your people. And just last year, everything different. Everything different. See? How many American Peace Corps, how many European Peace Corps live in Africa? Doing everything them like. Black people, we come here, we build this place. We build everything. We don't even own a land. So we can't even stay freely and walk freely. When a black government, because black people government, remember, is Africa, you know. So black people government are sell we out. Right now, America threaten the government, them say, if you don't sign this thing, none of you people from the government or your family or your friends is going to have a visa to come here. So they say, all right then. We will sign it. Deport them back so we can travel in freely. People, yo, not everybody will smile for you. Loves you, you know. Plastic, smile that. So people, wake up and live. Yeah, we need a government that will protect people. Sorry, my brother just called me. See? So I saw the thing setting up. Right now, black government in Africa sell way out for visa for their own family and friends to go to America. United States of America. They want to get visa to go to America. the people in the government and their family and friends. So now, all you people in America defending this government, every time me come and burn fire upon them, you can talk. Start talk. Because Europe here, they sell the Gambians for $200 million. All the Minister of the Interior in Gambia open up his mouth and say it, and the whole Gambia hear it. You can go Google it in YouTube. It's all over the place. So now, all me, we live here 23 years legally. I work, I do everything. All of my children, them grow now, them a look girl. All about the place like them daddy. Police are buck on me, and normally, before when them see me as a rasta, them come and say, you have any drug, you have any weed, marijuana? Because them smell it for me every time. All today, before them come, me smoke it and them a smell it. But that don't interest them. You know what interests them? Them want catch me. Illegal youth. But you don't know me. But not everybody lucky like me. And only for my brother them was settled boy. Yes. So people, wake up and live. And know say, this I know joke. Or something we have to talk about. So, you don't know the thing go. I mean them King Potter. Naya Bingi the cutter. Me born black and white down presser. All of uno. Uno know my style. Fire. People, you don't know the movement already. Just make sure you know. Say, it's no joke again, you know. Babylon are hunting the people, you know. And yo, let me tell you something, man. This is very sad, you know, people. This is no joke, you know. All the people, everybody, every black people who live in Hamburg now are going to show some terrible thing. You know why? Because of some government in Africa, you know, doggy. Some government in Africa, you know. Because right now, I not just people when I no papers alone, you know. So black people, remember this. Because normally before, when I walking in the street in Hamburg here, I leave my wallet. I don't move with pot money. I never move with wallets. I leave them here. You understand? Because I live here. But you see now me have to work with my document, you know. Me have to work with my document because the new law in Hamburg now, when police see a black man, it's called stop and search. Yes, them say stop and search. Cut out billahi wal kitabi joni ko dumbe natini and their sarende. Hande bimbi mi iwi, golle mi iwi. Hakkunde nge alla, chokko ben sahibi asika go dum mi wadi mi dari pay ko be men lang chokko. Mini chokko fi honu men lang kaydi. Mini kaydi hondum ben lay ida jogi kaydi fi wonu golga mini ko dum woni hondum. Konon konto iwdom. Billahi wal kitabi ben lang ye min yes min Do be no guy etati lang der sarega. Ankon no falda. After kurtu karta ni because I don't go koto. Dutch, German, pure Dutch. Pure Dutch, me tell them no doggy. So them no say yes. After me what it ease off. Ngari kaidi jine andi kaidi jine no labi asikai. Hey. You know what I mean? So Johnny Saren then. Futli bonade. Ida jogi kaidi wo ala kaidi wo. Nder train on nder boss on sare den ida tepa wo ida jodi wo ka wonda wo be aranaima tesi be yima ka baletung be innaima kaidi andi ko fi hondu government on government on just fi andong dung see yeah man it's no joke my brother John non ibe gollande bareji din koto bay dum na be ala hebule baraji ala gade bareji dimbe wone gollande joni. I swear to God no dagi. So right now I just there tell ono say song joga ki kaidi non dat bon rewbe heba ga jiwo heba tonin to jiwo be pare wada doy e mabbe an anda tung a hebi ga debbo mo anduda ti satti ha satti hoyay na satta ha satta si piidi ya ha satti o arantama no debbo kelɗo ɗo daɓɓoton mo anduɗa si satti rek o aranay mate si Allah jaɓi fo hoyay on faami Allah sattanta en ha satta koyo sattu ha hoya yes rasta so people ono finno wagwani no rasta so just listen to this tune and know say what me I tell uno is no joke. Them sell we out Let me tell you I saw a thing go. Alright, brother. See? Yo, Gambia government start smoke marijuana and open up on a bomb clad ice, so on a brain car on drink too much alcohol, Cause uno still legalize the alcohol in Gambia and police are run down the people, for one spliff, See? Yeah. Uno drink too much alcohol in Rasta. That a fuck up on no head. Uno see me there burn me spliff, Babylon can't do me nothing. Uno joke life, me can't take phone call right now, my brother. Yo, Gambia. Alanga tonya fo nyoye. Gambia funding ke jelle be ñun tubabu du. Gambia funding kel manke funding kel mi dale kana si janne ye bulol bula. Ni aje Gambia funding kel be pudle be wulle be dunna be funtela every day. Fo dol be dunna problem ol kono. E salon ko ke mira molle la mel be suwo kono. Ntol kam mira na molle la mel be suwo kono. You understand? Ntol kam mira na molle la mel be suwo kono. Gis nga Gambian bo fi gis tayalut be pare nekut yapat. Ben Gambia neku fi yambar ñun fi dañoo jóg daan doole liggéey lijjanti everything xam nga lu tax Gambia lañ dee xalaat Gambia rek lañ dee xalaat Gambian bu dëkka Europe fii nii Gambia rek la dee xalaat xaalis bu mu am naka la moo sampee kër naka la mooy dimbale rakam yaayam baajenam ñii ak ñali xam nga ñoo xam ne sa musul la naa gis real thing me I tell uno Gambian bu fi duga problème rek mu ngi lijanti pour kër waa léegi kër suñ government bi ñu ngi nii jaay nañ ñu because lii ku fi am kayit amuloo fi kayit léegi foo toog rek si biir train si bus everywhere loi bu es la xam boog tey ñàpp suma kaw ñu naan ma kayit ma ne kayit ban façon ngi kayit ñu ne ma kayit pour dëkka ma ne loolu kañ la fi commencé loolu noonu amatu fi over 20 years ma ne man fii laa dëkka ñaar fukki at ak ñetta laa fi dëkka loo leen bugga liggéey laa jógee nii kurtu karta ma mer laakal leen jaamaan boo xam ne leen tiit ñu ne ma ne bul ma ne leen ma mer lii yëfi yabaate la te yabaate bi fu mu jógee bu ko lii amutoon fii tubaab coy su la taxawalee rek soo gisee coy ros la nii danga dem si baye te ñëpp xam nañ loolu fii danga dem baye soo demut baye kenn du la attaque real thing me I tell you, black people, government in Africa, them sell we out, people. And no lie me I tell you, Right now, a brand new law in Germany, Hamburg here. This black people will be stopped and searched. So unfortunately, if you don't have no paper, you're going Africa. Yeah. It no matter how long you stay here. Them things never happen here. Just recently, our government them went and sell we out. And from America, they just deported like 45 people. And 2,000 people, them are hunting America, Right now. You know why? Because America government said, African government, them and their family and friends will not get visa to enter America. So them have to go sign a deal with them to deport all the black people in America. Look how long we build America. We don't even own a flat. We can't even free up. Now them are hunt to it. And them are going to deport it. And most of the people in Africa will get help. It will come from the people living in foreign. Every day. We are run down the street every day. We not sleep every day. We are work so hard to help Africa. You see right now, Jamaica me are going and go live, You can't take Gambia. Because me know say you can't take the whole of Africa. It's too big for you. You can't take Gambia, Me a forward and go Jamaica, Caribbean me a go. Yeah, because my family dead and me good up there. I can smoke my marijuana, nobody will harass me. And I can come to Europe anytime I like. And go America too. Them can't stop me. But they must stop my brothers and sisters. Because you know why? The thing just started a couple of days ago. African government wanna sell way out. Long time wanna sell way, But you see Gambia, wanna fi get up, The way wanna rally around and run Yaya Jammeh out. This government fi go. Because 3 years them promise the people. Right now, them a tell uno say una fools. 3 years is not the law. The law is 5 years, but they knew this before. So if now them a tell you it's not the law, that means they lie to us. Or they use their brain on us, on them a take with a fool. Seriously, people. Uno like this, you can go drop asleep and dead. Because me a go speak. See? So Gambia, wake up and live. Holy by Ibrahim Niasse King Selassie I Jah Rastafari. See? Gambia government sell uno. You see when the 3 years come, Gambia people uno no get up and speak and tell the government to go. And we bring in a real government that will defend us. Right now we free like bird, Nobody should play with us. If the government or where them a do, we can vote them out. Or we can come out of the street and make them step aside. A democracy them say that we fight for, sin. So make nobody use uno like footstool and come step on uno head. So uno can't grow. A fuckery, Holy by Ibrahim Niasse King Selassie I Jah Rastafari, you see? Me have to do road, a movement, because me a think about me people, in Africa. And them a put press up on me. So right now, me have to do road to support them, because the government now do that for them. Every brother and sister me know yeah, them a do road set way. Because right now, Africa press on me. So me for do road. You know.